Alright, hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. So in the last video we set up a kick command, and one thing I want to fix before we move on to the ban command is that I forgot to set permissions. So I'm going to do set default permissions, then it's going to be default member permissions dot enabled for members who have permission, make sure of kick members. Awesome. Now we're going to create the ban command. So we're going to create a new file, and I'm going to name it ban command.java, right? And then this is going to be really similar to our kick command. So I'm going to do extends listener adapter. This for some reason just never, there you go. And then I'm going to do public void on /command interaction. We're going to do /command interaction event. And then we're going to do if event dot get name dot, I forgot to do event, sorry, event, there you go. If event dot get name dot equals to ban, we're going to get the user. So I'm going to do user target user equals event dot get option user dot get as user. Awesome. And then in fact, if you have a kick command, if you followed the previous tutorial, you can just copy these and paste it here. So yeah, we're creating a string called reason, so we can also have a reason for banning the user. All right, and then we're going to set up some fail safes, just like in the kick command. So we're going to do if event dot get user dot equals to, sorry, if event dot get target user, if target user if target user dot get id dot equals to the user who's running the command, so event dot get user dot get id dot get ID, we can say that the user cannot kick themselves. They cannot. There you go. So you can do, for example, event.reply. You cannot ban yourself. You cannot ban yourself. Awesome. And then we're going to do .q because we're interacting with Discord. And then we're going to return. And then the second thing is that we have to make sure that the user cannot kick the bot. So we can do if target user dot get ID dot equals to event.getJDA.get self user.get ID. Then we can say that, I'm just going to copy and paste this. You cannot ban the bot. Awesome. Now these are all our fail safes, so we can make sure that nothing goes wrong. The second thing you could do is that you can, for example, now we just have to ban the user. So we can do event.getGuild.ban, right? So the ban has, first of all, it has the user. So I'm going to do target user, ban, and then target user, right? And then the second option is the duration or deletion time. And what this means is that from how many, whenever you ban a user, you have an option to delete their messages, right? And you can set it for from the message they sent, from when to delete them. For example, a user sent a message a week ago, and what if we set this to 7 and we do time unit.days, right? This is going to delete every message the user has sent in the 7 days. So what you could do is that you could also get it as an option. So you could do deletion time frame, and then you could get it as an option, right? So for example, you could do int deletion time frame equals event.get option, and then you can do deletion time, and then you can do .get as integer, right? And then you can do if deletion time frame is greater than 7, because it cannot be greater than 7. So I'm going to do deletion time frame equals to 7. Awesome. So we can make sure that deletion time frame is never greater than 7. All right, awesome. Now, we also have to change this to deletion time frame. Awesome. And then we can do .q to ban the user, and then we can do event.reply event.reply. Target user dot get as mentioned has been banned. Right? Oh yeah, you can also set a reason. So you can do dot reason, and the reason is going to be reason. Awesome. And then you can do event.reply has been banned, and then you can do the reason. So then you can do reason is reason. All right. And then do .q, so we're interacting with Discord, and then awesome. And then we're going to go to our app.java. We're going to go to our event listeners. We're going to create, and then we're going to do new ban command, and then we're going to create a new slash command. So I'm going to go here. Remember to add my comma. Sorry, I'm going to add my comma, and I'm going to do commands dot slash, and the name is going to be ban. The description is going to be ban a user. And then you're going to add an option. The first option is going to be the user. So option type dot user. Yeah, and then user. Make sure it's all not lowercase. And then user to ban. Let me make sure it's all proper capitalization. And then I'm going to add a second option. That add option type dot string, which is going to be the reason. And then we can do reason for banning the user. And then the third option dot add option type dot integer. You can set the reason. You can set the name to deletion. So I have to see what I named it. Deletion time. And then you can set the description as, so basically like, well, what would I name it? Like the time frame to delete the user's message from, right? Not the greatest explanation, but something that came at the top of my head. And I'm going to set the default permissions to default member permissions dot enabled for users who have permission dot ban members. Only users who have the ban member permission can run this command. Awesome. Now we're going to run our bot. Alright, so here I am on Discord. I'm simply going to run the ban command. Oh, there it is. Okay, there you go. So, the user, I forgot to make these permissions required. I apologize. I'll do that in a second. So the user should be, for example, my main account, their reason, hello, right? And then deletion time, I'm going to set it to like 7, right? And then if I press enter, there you go. As you can see, like, if you go back a little bit, you saw that all the join time, like the times that you guys joined, also got deleted. And actually, let me send some messages on the on my account and show how it works. Before that, as you can see, here's the server ban list. If I go here, you can see that the user is banned, and then the reason. Where is it? Where's the reason? Oh, there you go. The reason is here, and you can see that the reason did work, and then you can revoke ban. So I'm gonna unban the user, and then the next video we're going to be creating an unban command. All right, so here I am back on my account, and let me go on my account and which channel is it? Okay, so it's this chat. So if I just start spamming, for example, as you can see, I've sent a couple of messages. Now if I run the ban command, ban Mahan, reason, idiot, and then for example the deletion time, like 3 again, right? Now if I press enter, there you go, Mazin ban, reason, idiot. Awesome. So yeah, that's a really simple ban command. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we'll be creating an unban command. And that one will be a bit complex. We have to see if the user hasn't already been banned. If they have been banned, we have to check the ban list, things like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Goodbye.